In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and review contact lists in Constant Contact. Whether you manage a handful of lists or dozens, knowing exactly where to look and how to review who's on each list keeps your email outreach organized and effective. Let's walk through the process from start to finish, keeping everything simple and clear. First, log into your Constant Contact account. Use the official website and your usual credentials, and make sure you're signed in to the correct account if you manage more than one. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your jumping off point for everything else. Next, head to the contacts area. You'll typically find contacts in the main navigation at the top or along the left side, depending on the current layout. Click it to open your contact management tools. This is where all your people, lists, and related details are organized. Inside Contacts, look for the section labeled Lists. This section groups your contacts into the categories you've created, such as newsletter subscribers, event attendees, or leads. If you have many lists, you might see them arranged in a panel with the list name and account of contacts. Take a moment to orient yourself. This is the hub for seeing which audiences you're communicating with. Now click the name of the list you want to review. The list name itself is the link. When you open it, you'll be taken to a detailed view that shows the contacts included in that list. This page usually displays the email address and other basic fields like first name, last name, and sometimes the status of each contact. Scroll through to get a clear picture of who's in there. If you have a large list, expect multiple pages or a longer scroll, and that's completely normal. If you need to find a specific list faster, especially helpful when you manage many lists, use the search or filters provided near the lists area. Type a keyword from the list name to narrow your view, or apply available filters to quickly surface the list you need. Consistent naming conventions, like adding a date or campaign type to list names, can make this even easier. That's the whole process. Log in, go to contacts, locate the list section, click the list you want, review the contacts inside, and use search or filters if you need to pinpoint a list quickly. With these steps, you'll be able to verify your audiences and stay on top of your email marketing with confidence.